Symmetrical drawing can be tricky, but I know we're up for the challenge. When drawing something symmetrical and you're given half of the object, pick the easiest parts to start with. Like I'm going to start with the head here. I see that the head has a curve here. I'm going to continue that curve over. And it's hard to tell how far it should be. You can use your fingers to kind of measure. You could use your pencil to kind of measure how far over it needs to be. Now there's a big old eyeball in there, but I think I'm gonna skip the eyeball at first. And then I'm going to make the eyeball, and I'll have just a little bit of erasing to do. See that the antenna is going to curve. Now this is a mirror image, so it's going to be opposite. I'm not going to curve the antenna in the same direction. It actually is going to go out, opposite. The rest of the body, I'm picking the easiest parts to do first, trying to match how wide this is. Got his head, the middle is the thorax, and the bottom part is the abdomen of the fly. There we go. Okay, going strong. The leg, I notice, starts just a smidge over. There's a little bit of space. And this leg has two parts. You continue this for the whole insect, as insects, are symmetrical. Remember that leg is going opposite direction because it is a mirror image. Oh, there's some overlapping with the wings here. I'm gonna do my leg first. I'm gonna do what seems easiest to me. Oh, is that just right, or am I a little off? I'm a little off, aren't I? If I line my pencil up straight across, my leg went a little too low, and I think it's a little too thick, too. Oh, this part gets tricky. Oh, that wing. Where does the middle of that wing start? This little part. I'm just gonna measure. See, right about here. And it's going to curve opposite, so it's gonna get really close here. This part's gonna be probably the trickiest part. Do the easy stuff first. Okay, then I go back and I check my work. Make sure I have an antenna, eye, legs, wings, everything else. My next step is to Sharpie this side. You can actually Sharpie both sides if you want. Sharpie this side, and then when we color, you may make your insect whatever color you want, but please color it symmetrically. So if this eyeball's green, you bet this eyeball's green. If this part of the body is purple, this part of the body is purple.